We're here at the Wall Towers, here in Midland, Texas. This is what the original car barn used to be. Silly. It has been modernized by Otis. Of course, and I'm surprised. Not really. Cheap-ish mod. This is the delivery machine room for the other car, or the pit. 9. Ninth floor. 10 bay pre-door. Silly. Let's go down one. I mean, the cabin's up is nice. It's just, This is a very 50s, 60s building. Silly modern. See? I mean, don't get me wrong, the lobby itself is really nice. With the chandelier and everything. Other than that,
We did. It's not on the
It's just
wall
a
I told him to, but it's
basic
right
building.
there by it.
See,
It's on the
wall
same wall
towers.
as all the electricals on.
anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.